Hello, guys. So I'm back with you. I hope you had a good day. Oh, I forgot the music. Today we are going to showcase the bird demoning beast from the first floor to the last one. With Escanor and Merlin. So if you don't have she on here, you can use Bear. It's very strong too. The problem with this is that if you are a new player, you won't have them because they are collab characters. At which point you can use like Megalda, but it's not the best. How do we write it? Megalda? Yes, like the blue one, this one, because she has the amplification. She has the relic for the demonic beast and also the passive. But if you can use these, it's great. So the gears I'm using are attack on everyone because I have a big account that can take everything easily. But if you have a very low account, I recommend to use HP defense on both these at the very least, and on Tor and Escanor it depends on how much skins you have on them, how much old levels and things like this. I will change the sub here because let's use like Roxy because it's very strong on humans. The set I'm using is the number 37 because it gives attack related stats, which is very broken. And there we can go. So for the first floor, it's very simple. You just have to hit, and it's quite the same for the second and the third floor too. So I'll show you. It used to be much harder. So you choose like to use, for example, the talent, and you will see that there is no bird anymore, which is quite funny. You one-shot him. Here he has a 50% damage cap, so let's use this, why not? Just use random skills. Oh no, it's not here. It's the third phase that has the damage cap. My bad, sorry. So let's use random cards. Yeah, here is the 50% damage cap. Also, someone told me in the comments of the last video that the music was too loud compared to my voice. I'm sorry for this. I should have changed it, so I hope it's better now. If it's not, let me know. Let me know it by telling it in the comments. And also for my voice, I'm a little bit sick. It's nothing important, but so for the second phase, it's as stupid as the first one. You just have to hit hard. Let's use this, that. Why not? Yeah, it's broken. The thing that is very interesting in this team is that both your Tor and your Escanor and Merlin overpass the damage caps. So that's very interesting. Like here you hit for 50% and then an extra 50%. So 70% of its life. Oh, a lot of tall cards. So there is no gimmicks in the first 3 floors, except in the second phase of the second floor where the bird revives with like 2 or 3% of its HP. You have to kill it when in one turn, otherwise it destroys you. Okay, so let's go to the third floor. Same as the first two floors, you just have to hit pretty hard. No matter which way, like this example. And you hit damage caps almost every time, except if you have a very low account. And if you have very low count, it is also pretty interesting to use Megalda because you have a heal. So if somehow the boss hits too hard, you can heal a little bit, which is interesting when you struggle, especially in the fourth floor, which is the one that could be the hardest for the low counts. Okay, let's finish it. And the first 3 floors are already killed. So that's very, very cool. So let's hop into the fourth floor. Okay, so for the fourth floor, you will need in the second phase 3 level 2 cards or 3 level 3 cards. You can't use 2 and 1 or 1 and 2. You need 3 of the same level. So I don't recommend, even though I'm damage capping here, I don't recommend to kill him in one turn, because if you don't have your level 2 or 3 cards, you might struggle a little bit. So I'm just going to use some random cards. Maybe I kill, but I don't think so. Okay, I won't. Which is good for the example, of course. So in this situation, I got 2 level 2s. So I will kill him and hope I will get my third one. But generally in like 2 or 3 turns, you get your cards and you can keep going. So now kill him. So the reason why you need your level 2 cards or level 3 cards is because, as you will see now, I don't hit very hard. So if you don't use these cards, you won't get a shield, big shield, because the shield you will get gives you a ton of stats. So you get tankier and you hit hard, and that is the only way to really hit hard, even though Escanor exists, so it doesn't care about what I'm saying, of course. But you need this shield pretty much to hit hard, like you can see all of the stats it's giving. Let's use this. If you can keep your toll cards like this, your power strike cards, amplification cards, keep them because you will need them in the third phase. Because you'll see in the third phase that the boss has 8 invisibilities, and to get rid of these invincibilities, you will need to use toll cards. So these two or the ults also works. Or you will need to use amplification that Tyr has here, Shion has here, Migalda has it too, and Beru has it too. Awesome power strikes cards, which Xian has here. So let's use this, and that. So you always need 3 turns to overpass this, because you will have 1 turn um, getting rid, sorry, of 4 invisibilities, another one getting rid of the full last, and the 3rd turn you can kill it. So let's use power strike, amplification, Tor, power strike. If you have a low account, try your best to keep Tor cards and Escanor cards, because having the overpassed damage cap with these units is very interesting for you in the 4th phase, because it is the only phase where it kind of hits hard. So if you have a low account, it's very interesting for you to be able to one-shot it, and also you can keep the talent for the 4th phase, so you hit a little bit harder, even though I'm wondering if it's gonna do more than 10% of the max HP. So let's use this, why not? The single target is very interesting because you get this damage cap that is overpassed. And also, at the end of the 3rd phase, it will always disable one of your characters. If it disables one of these two, you're kind of unlucky, so you won't be able to use them. Otherwise, it's not gonna hurt. Like you saw, the talent did not a lot. Let's alt, use this, and this. And I think it's gonna destroy the boss. Yes, it's definitely going to. So that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the showcase. If you want any other videos like this one, showcasing some demonic beasts, let me know it. Oh, very lucky. Let me know it by telling it in the comments. And see you later.